Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set charge limit on iPhone. So guys, if you want to save your iPhone's battery health and you want to set charge limit so that your iPhone's battery may not overcharge, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, you can easily use this feature to save your battery health, and you can easily save or preserve your battery health of your iPhone. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, all you have to do is that simply open settings first and then go to general and then software update, and you must be using iOS 18 or the later like iOS 26. So guys, you must be using iOS 26 or iOS 18 to use this feature. So guys, after this you have to simply go back, and now you have to simply go to battery on your iPhone, and after this you will get the charging feature here or the charge limit option here once you open this settings. So guys, here you will see charging limit. You have to simply go to charging, and from here you can easily set charge limit on your iPhone. So as you can see this, you can set it to 80%, 85%, or 90, 95, or 100%. So guys, you have to simply set this to at least 80% or 85%. This is recommended. So guys, you have to simply set charge limit, and after this your iPhone will not be overcharged, and you will save your battery health of your iPhone by using charge limit feature on your iPhone. So guys, in this way you can also set charge limit on your iPhone in iOS 18 or 26. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.